Hello, I'm Justin Jua from Samsung Electronics. I'm supporting Samsung sales strategy in vRAN and Open RAN. Today, I'm very happy to explain our solution and business in 5G and vRAN solution. So let me share the slide. I want to first start with how mobile market looks like in Korea, who is one of the leader in 5G. So Korea launched 5G in 2019, and today, just in 2 years, 5G accounts for more than 62% of the total traffic. And the 5G users consumes like 3 times more traffic than 4G user. So we all know this pattern will not stop here. And this is because all different apps we're using every day at home and office. So the question is, for operators, how can you handle this increasing traffic? The answers are, first, technology. Operators start to use new hardware form factor like massive MIMO and new AI technologies such as beamforming and advanced channel coding. Second, bandwidth. Because in the existing 4G bands, there is no room for growth. So we had to find new spectrum above 3 GHz, such as C-band and millimeter wave. And third, more sites. More traffic requires more densification of cells. The problem is all these factors require considerable investment by operators. Therefore, for them, balancing right level of performance and cost is key for operator success. So how does Samsung manage this performance and cost issue? Our strategy is to focus on chips and hardware. Samsung started 5G research from 2009. At the time, LTE was not even commercially launched in many countries. Since then, we've continued to develop our 5G solution throughout various demos and trials in all the 5G markets, such as Korea, US, and Japan. And we finally launched world's first 5G commercial network in 2018. And recently, with virtualized RAN, which I will explain a bit more, we launched massive MIMO technology that is considerably challenging even in traditional RAN. And all these achievements are based on the fact that we have strong leadership in standards and patent bodies. We are leading standardization in 5G and host the largest officials in 3GPP. We are number 1 in 5G essential patents. In 2019, we launched our 6G research. All these activities show our commitment on massive amount of investment into intellectual property and R&D resources. Another strength of 5G solution is the chipset. We are one of the leading semiconductor companies in the world. And with networks, we are putting more investment on 5G chips. For higher bandwidth, cutting-edge technology support, at reduced product size and increasing power efficiency. Chips are at the heart of our 5G solution. These chips are used in every radius we are delivering for different use cases, from FWA, enhanced mobile broadband, and even to coverage for rural, IoT, and so on. Samsung can provide complete radio solution for our customers in every use cases. For our chips and hardware, we secure trusted supply chain by leveraging our best-in-class manufacturing in the US, Korea, and Vietnam. Also, we continue to enhance our cybersecurity for our products. One good example is we won the first common criteria certification for our 5G products in the US. Thanks to our efforts in research, chip, hardware, and trusted supply chain, we've already deployed over 4 million 5G-ready radios on the globe. We are providing advanced capabilities and superior performance to customers so that they build the best network in terms of performance and cost. So far, I have explained what we have done for more than 10 years. But is there anything else that we can do more for next 10 years? And we believe focusing on software is the key answer to that question. And that means we'll virtualize our core and RAN. So what does virtualization mean to operators? In the previous section, our focus was mainly about how to optimize cost while upgrading performance. Virtualization means we give a platform to operators, not only to control their CapEx and OpEx more flexibly, but also to increase their revenues. So how does this work? With vRAN, Taiwook can transform their traditional cell sites into virtualized and cloud infrastructure. We support such transition in 3 ways. First, our vRAN is Taiwook-grade solution, supporting DU-CU split architecture based on 3GPP. We support multi-technologies such as 4G and 5G, and it is proven in the field of Tier 1 networks. Second, it features cloud agility. Since it is software-based, it supports flexible dimensioning for diverse traffic models. So it allows flexibility in your CapEx and OpEx allocation. It is cloud-native solution, which can be deployed on any third-party server and cloud platform. Therefore, it is easy to add new services on the infrastructure, just like a cloud. On the vRAN platform, you can host third-party apps such as video analytics, cloud gaming, drone control. This means operators now can find new revenue stream with vRAN. Lastly, it supports ORAN compliant fronthaul. We support 7-2 interface by our DU. This is not proprietary interface, which some vendors try to push. This means no lock-in to Samsung. Functional split is widely accepted by many vendors. Therefore, we support healthy competition and best-of-breed ecosystem in Open RAN. On top of this, we are actively contributing for ORAN standards. Especially, we are in chair leadership for Working Group 3 for RealTime Rig. And we are developing our rig solution based on the leadership. With our technology and solution, we are deploying the biggest vRAN commercial networks with global Tier 1 carriers. In the US, with Verizon, we launched first wide-scale commercial vRAN in 2020. And a couple of months ago, we launched the first commercial 5G massive MIMO C-band radios supported by vRAN. In Europe, with Vodafone, we are deploying vRAN and ORAN commercial networks in the UK. In Asia, historically, we have strong footprints in TRAN in Korea, India, and Japan. Especially in India, we support Jio's 4G nationwide network, more than 400 million users, as a sole network vendor. In 5G, we'll maintain our leadership in the country. On top of that, we're expanding our vRAN in the APAC region. In Japan, with Docomo, we launched nationwide 5G O-RAN solution. With KDDI, we just launched world's first commercial 5G standalone Open RAN network, powered by vRAN in Japan. With TPG, we launched first 5G vRAN and millimeter wave trial in Australia. No other vendor is anywhere near us in scale and breadth. vRAN or Open RAN has much benefit to be realized, as I explained. But as we deploy the solution in the field, we learned that there are some challenges too. First, operators do not compromise in the quality and reliability of the new technology. Vendors need to reinforce their technical and operational expertise. Second, multi-vendor environments add complexity in IoT and integration. Vendors need to equip with both telecom and IT knowledge for root cause analysis and resolution. Third, roadmap alignment across multi-vendors are another issue. Lastly, business model and ecosystem. In our experience, ecosystem of Open RAN is still at early stage to match incumbents' performance and price. Also, operators need to take a more collaborative and experimental approach to lead multi-vendor integration. Because of all these challenges, operators are looking for Goldilocks combination when they talk about vRAN and Open RAN supplier. On one side, they want a vendor who is willing to innovate and open to new technology and business model. I think incumbents are not flexible enough in this sense. On the other side, operators want a vendor who they can trust. To be frank, there are many startups and IT vendors who say that they can do Open RAN or vRAN. However, we've witnessed they cannot meet operators' high standards or do not understand telecom network and the industry's practice. We believe Samsung is the only one who can meet these two different needs at the same time. And that is why Tier 1s around the world are selecting Samsung as their vRAN and Open RAN partner. Thank you.